Hello my friends, fans, and freaks, and welcome to MiaSono's 2-minute drill series. Today's topic, mastering. Now to a lot of people, mastering is a daunting process, but it doesn't have to be. It's actually quite simple. Now the main thing you need to remember when you go to master your track is that your mix down, which is the stage before mastering, is finished and done properly. In your mix down, you're going to be making sure that all your effects are in the right place, the right loudness. You're going to check all your different parts of your songs, make sure they all sit well together. Use your volume control to taper off some of the ends, you know, when you're coming out of a part and going into another part. Then once you get into mastering, we're going to add an EQ, we're going to add a compressor, and we're going to add a limiter. And it's that simple. Let's go in and show you how. All right, over here I've got a nice track that I've been working on. This is some tropical house. We're going to open up the master. You can see there's nothing on the master. So let's change that. Let's bring an EQ8. Let's bring a compressor. And then let's bring a limiter. Now with these three things, use your EQ to check and listen first. Alright, first of all, the human ear does not hear anything down below 20 Hertz, so we'll cut that bottom off. It also doesn't hear anything above 20,000 Hertz, so we'll cut that off, but we'll give it just a little bit of boost right there. Now on the compressor, I'm going to compress things down to about 4:1. We'll bring our threshold up to about 5 or 6 decibels. Now with the limiter, you see you got your gain here, and then you've got your ceiling. Your gain, you can sometimes turn up to boost everything up just a little bit, but you always want to set your ceiling at minus 0.3 to minus 0.1 decibels. Now that's going to stop everything before it starts peaking and going over. Then once you've done those three things, there's your mastering. On your master volume, you turn off the compressor. Everything is solid red. We're peaking too hard. So we set our limiter, boom, no more red. And just like that, there's mastering in a nutshell. Thank you very much for watching this 2-minute drill video. If you like what you see in here, hit that subscribe button down there and click the bell so you get notified anytime we put out a new video. And you can go right here to check out the next 2-minute drill. Thank you very much for watching. I'm Chaos from MiaSono. Peace. We'll see you next time.